Wish I could be part of that world. What if mermaid pala yung makita natin dito? Charing. Are you excited to see whales? You guys told me that your favorite state is California. What do you like most about California?
Easygoing, and the weather.
Yeah, the weather.
Everybody loves to be outside.
It's my first time to see dolphins. Masaya lang ako na nabitbit ko dito si Mama. Whenever I have trips, syempre minsan naisip ko, what if I'm with my family, especially my mom? Same kami ni Mama na very mababaw yung kaligayahan. I mean, yung mga simple joys in life, it make us feel alive. You're taking pictures of my mom. Okay. Hello guys! Good morning! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. At nandito tayo ngayon sa San Diego, California. Courtesy of my company kasama si Mother. So ngayon, today, mag-whale watching tayo dito sa San Diego. Isa ito sa mga activities na pwede natin gawin dito sa San Diego, California. Ayan, bumili tayo ng snacks. Mga protein bars, just in case magutom tayo. So if you guys will travel in the Philippines, US, anywhere else in the world, you can book your activities, travel items on Klook. And just may promo code DIVGINUKLOK para maka-discount kayo. For hotel, you can book your hotel on Agoda. And just may code DIVAGODA para maka-discount din kayo, okay? So what about those who went ahead of us? They have tickets?
No, I have all the tickets.
You have all the tickets, so we're safe.
I have all the tickets. No one is getting on the boat
Without us.
They cannot.
Nakakita tayo ng Disney Cruise. Thank you so much. Guys, ayun, may Disney Cruise doon. Alam niyo, pangarap ko talaga mag-cruise. And what if Disney? Nag-Disney si pa lang tayo last week eh. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. So nice. We're boarding. Napaka-pleasant ng weather.
Only one of you can come through right now.
Alright.
Go through.
Okay.
You can wait there.
Okay. So I was talking with DeAndre. Their favorite state in the US is California. This is their favorite state. Ano ma, are you excited to see whales?
Of course.
I think I have to reintroduce Andre because he appeared in my last Florida vlog. DeAndre's with me again.
No, the people
In
remember
California.
me. It's okay.
Yes, my first time seeing whales. I'm very excited.
Really? What kind of animal did you see already here in San Diego?
I've seen a lot of birds and
Birds.
flamingos.
Flamingos.
At the hotel.
Sea lions.
Sea lions.
Yeah.
On a different trip here. Dolphins.
You guys told me that your favorite state is California. What do you like most about California? Because you're guys from Chicago, right? Chicago.
Yes.
How chill everything is. Easygoing, weather.
Yeah, the weather.
Everybody loves to be outside, so it's very fitness, kind of health oriented.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to live like a healthy lifestyle here.
Ito yung sasakyan natin. Color green yung dagat.
Come on, everybody.
Ito may mga snacks. Hindi super grand yung barko, pero okay na. Okay, let's sit there. We can sit here. At least nandito tayo sa gilid. Sabi nung pinaka-boss kanina, make sure we're the first ones to board. Look! Beautiful. May Disney doon. Cute! May baby doon, oh. Exactly 1:35 and we're moving. Hanggang 5:30 yung schedule natin dito eh. Sunny, pero malamig yung hangin. Kaya buti hindi tayo tostado dito. Relax lang, malamig yung hangin. Nakikita lang natin tong mga barko na to from afar kahapon or nung isang araw pagdating natin. And now we're here. Make sure kapag malamig ang panahon, mag-lip balm kayo, okay? We can see helicopters there, oh. Ito yung boat ride, hindi naman siya nakakahilo. Kasi most likely mahilo ako kapag magalaw. Tapos yung amoy, alam nyo may certain amoy, yung mga barko na nakakahilo. Na pagpasok mo pa lang, suko na yung sikmura ko. Hindi naman maalon dito. So sightseeing lang tayo. Kumusta ka dyan?
Okay lang, enjoying
Enjoying the view.
the view.
Parang init na init ka dyan na. Yung araw. Yung San Diego Bay, it's very protected daw kasi nandito yung Navy. So may mga bases dito sa San Diego. Sea lion. Sana nakita, meron silang external na tenga just like us. Yung seal, limited daw yung galaw. Yan yung dinidescribe sa atin dito. Versus sea lion. Sea lion pa lang nakikita natin. Wala pang wheels. Nasa 30 minutes na tayo bumibiyahe dito. Papunta na tayo sa may Pacific Ocean. Yung Mexico, katabi lang niya yung San Diego. So, airplane mode daw yung cellphone. Kung ayaw nating magkaroon ng unnecessary charges. Kasi baka daw makareceive tayo ng text messages ng welcome to Mexico. Tapos ma-charge tayo. Para safe. Yung San Diego to Mexico magkatabi lang eh. Pero hindi tayo pupunta talaga ng Mexico. Pero napakalapit na lang ng Mexico waters dito. To look for whales, di daw sila gumagamit ng radar. Kasi it might disrupt yung habitat nila or yung ecosystem nila. Tama ba yung term? Pero it might disrupt their environment. Yung gamit lang talaga sa paghahanap ng whale ay eyeballs. Mata lang talaga. Tapos binoculars. And then they communicate with other whale watchers. Dolphin and whales, they are mammals. So they are voluntary breathers. They spend 95% of their life underwater. They breathe outside the waters. So unlike us humans na involuntary, di natin kailangang isipin yung paghinga natin. Yung dolphins, tapos yung whales, they have to do it voluntarily. Di pa na ako nakakita ng whales. Expectation ko pa naman ang daming whales na makikita dito. Pero wala pa rin. I-treat na lang natin to as a cruise. Relax. Ha?
Napakatagal pang magpakita ng whales.
From here, guys, kita na yung Mexico. Wait. Kita na yung Mexico dito. It's Tijuana, Mexico. Kulang na lang ng duyan, guys. Makakatulog na ako. Antok na. Kasi malamig yung hangin. Parang dinuduyan tayo ng alon. Wala pang wheels. Magwa 1 hour na tayo ata. Gusto ko lang matulog. Dito na yung mga tao.
Yeah, we got some dolphins on our starboard side on the right.
Wala pa tayo nakikita, guys.
Find these dolphins all over.
Where? Do you see it? Dito yung mga tao. Pero wala pala akong nakikita. Pacific Ocean na pala tayo, guys. Let's go back to the Philippines and find more animals in the sea. Oh. Wait, dolphins.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow. It's my first time to see dolphins. Sabi ni Mama, marami sa Limasawa. Wow.
Wow.
Ayun. Wow.
Light on the bottom. And then on the sides, they
Where are they? Yun.
Wow.
Cool. We have a nice spot here.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1. Nice. Nice. One more. Nakita na tayo ng dolphin, sea lion, whales na lang. Actually, ang saya magkoron. May doon, snorkeling, tapos daming isda, starfish. Ngayon ko mas na-appreciate yung Philippines, na ang ganda ng Philippines. Parang yung ganito sisiw lang sa atin, charing. Tingnan, nakain ka naman. Hindi man imogin order. Yeah, exposed to sunlight daw sa taas. So we're here. Meron ditong bar where we can order food. Yung ba nating friends nandito na? Are you seasick? Ano? Okay. I think it's better here. Freshen up munang mother. Pero yeah, okay din dito sa loob. It's warmer. Clear din naman yung view sa labas. Di lang tayo kumain ng marami. Kasi baka magsuka-suka tayo. May nakasulat na warning dito. Detectable amounts of chemical known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm may be found in and around this facility. Oh no. Ay.
Welcome to Mexico.
Welcome to Mexico. Oops. Kumbaga parang nakapag-Mexico ka na rin.
Oh. Hala, oo, there. It's Mexico.
I am not sure kung Mexico yan. Unfortunately, we haven't seen any single whale. Pampalubag loob, nakita tayo ng dolphin kanina. Mga dolphin na very playful. It's okay. Sa Pilipinas na lang tayo maghanap ng whale. Pero syempre, ibang experience kung makita ka ng whale sa ibang bansa. Share ko lang guys, dito sa US, order tayo ng food. May options na mag-tip, pero meron namang no tip. New York talaga. Yun yung parang mandatory yung tipping. Kasi nag-New York tayo nung February. So yung ano natin, muffins, dalawa, nasa $6. $3 each, 100-200 pesos. Yung $3. Price ng isang muffin dito. So, nagbaon din naman tayo ng biscuits. Best na may baon na lang para makatipid. Anyway, bayad naman ng company. Char. Bayad din naman ng company pinambayad natin dito. Kasi, again, all expense paid. Masaya lang ako na nabitbit ko dito si mama. Whenever I have trips abroad, syempre minsan naisip ko, what if I'm with my family, especially my mom? Kasi I'm able to see beautiful tanawin, beautiful views. Same kami ni Mama na very mababaw yung kaligayahan. I mean, the simplest things will make us happy. Kasi ko din, ganun din siya dito. Wow, wow. Alam mo, kahit yung simple na mga bagay, kahit yung bahay lang kagabi, parang wow. Ganun din ako. And I think it's okay. Yung mga simple joys in life, it makes us, yung mga simple joys in life, it make us rather feel alive. Yung ganito, just being in the US, sunod-sunod lang tayo sa itinerary today ng Nina Ani. Si Ani pala yung executive assistant nung global lead natin, which is very helpful to me. Sunod-sunod lang tayo sa kanya. Napagod din ako sa previous trip natin, Japan, papunta dito. So, mas pahinga itong San Diego trip. Mas laid back yung galawan natin dito. Like kahapon, Sunday, nagpunta lang tayo sa bahay ng isa nating kababayan from Eastern Samar. And we were treated really well. May mga Filipino food na hinanda, chikahan. Ang saya nung kahapon, very local experience. Kagabi, natulog lang tayo kay na Auntie Tita, na first time kong na-meet by the way, taga California sila. I hope you two guys make it to the countries na pinapangarap niyong puntahan. Ako, di ko naman talaga dream destination ng US. Pero when I'm here, parang wow, nakarating ako dito kasi mahirap makarating dito. Mahirap kumuha ng visa. Mahal yung pamasahe. Nakapunta lang tayo dito because of my company, which has been very generous to me. Nakapag-New York tayo because of my company too. Although ano yun, side trip, kasi yung main event talaga natin ay sa Florida. Pag-uwi ko, pahinga talaga. Pag-uwi ko ng Pilipinas. Stay muna tayo ng Manila for a week, then Tacloban. Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world. Kumanta na lang. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing. Na 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 na. Di ko alam lyrics. Na 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 na. Up where they walk, up where they run. Abang lyrics. Na 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 in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What if mermaid pala yung makita natin dito? Tsaring. In fair naman sa toilet, nice siya. May mga barko talaga na may gasolina, tapos yun talaga nakakapagpa-baliktad ng sikmura. Malinis, kahit yung toilet malinis, 'di ba? Social. Feeling ko hindi naman sila pipili ng barko na medyo gusgusi. Ito okay siya. It's pretty decent. Malinis. Sea lion guys. Sea lions. Di ganong kita. Pero may sea lions doon. Sabi dito, dolphins are whales. So technically nakakita pa rin naman tayo ng whales. But yeah, this is such sabi pa niya bomber. Pero it's okay. Nakapag-relax naman tayo dito. Daming sea lions. Look, sea lions. Ang dami.
We've got a great white egret.
I got it.
Gas station for military boats. Naamoy natin yung sea lion. Amoy dagat. Yung sea lion. Medyo may amoy na di kaaya-aya. Kasi lumapit tayo sa may sea lion, diba? Combat ship.
The enormous gun mount on its bow in the front.
Very high-tech.
Alright, so we're going to be pulling into port in just a moment.
We're back. Dito na tayo sa port of San Diego. Near the port of San Diego kung saan tayo bumaba. May mga souvenir shop dito. And also the museum, the USS Midway Museum. Isa daw to sa mga pinaka dapat puntahan dito sa San Diego, yung museum. So it showcases the history of the US Navy's longest serving aircraft carrier. Laid back lang dito sa may port. This is the USS Midway, the longest serving aircraft carrier of the United States in the 20th century. So 1900s. Tapos ito, famous na statue ito. Look, ito yung original na photo. Unconditional surrender daw yung unang tawag sa statue. Eventually, pinangalanan yung statue na Embracing Peace. Ayan. So this is the most famous kiss in the world. Tapos this one, it happened in Manhattan. Itong kiss na to. This happened in Manhattan in New York. Tangkad ng statue, guys. Itong USS Midway Museum, yan daw yung number 1 na to-do activity according to TripAdvisor dito sa San Diego. So today, may mga tayo nakita. Helicopter, ships for battle, military. Ayun si Mama. Oh, you're taking pictures of my mom. Okay. Kiss. Do you want me to take a photo of both of you?
Thank you. Ayan.
Fun fact about this statue, actually yung nurse, it appears na nurse siya, tapos yung sailor, they didn't know each other, okay? Out of excitement from their victory of World War II, out of adrenaline rush, nagkiss silang dalawa. And yung photograph, it was not planned as well. Candid shot itong nila, kiss nilang dalawa. Ayun, no? It's called Embracing Peace, okay?
World War II had ended.
Ayan. Depicts one of the most famous and iconic moments in the history of the United States of America, reflecting joy of the American people upon learning World War II had ended. It inspired the spontaneous celebration in New York's Times Square in August 1945. So this is called Embracing Peace. So may couples na nagre-recreate ng kiss dito. Ang chill ng area. Kaya pala siya favorite nila, DeAndre. Kasi ang chill nga ng San Diego. Feeling ko nasa MacArthur Park tayo. Alam mo yung MacArthur Park sa Tacloban? I mean sa Palo, Leyte. Ito yung vibe. Yung amoy ng grass. Yung statue. May dagat. Lakad-lakad lang around the area. May mga statue dito just like in MacArthur Park. May nagpe-play dito na recording, I think, ng speech niya. Pa-sunset na, guys. Gusto ko dito may mag-jajag lang ng topless. Chill. Disney Cruise. Patay na. California girls. So how's California so far, Ma? Our second full day.
It's a beautiful place.
Why is it a beautiful place? Ito may mga yacht.
Yacht.
Why is it a beautiful place?
There are a lot of tourist destinations.
It's just a laid back, peaceful yung vibe dito sa San Diego. Dito sa may port, it's very peaceful. Kung gusto niyo lang ng chill na adventure, I think in California, it will be a nice choice. Particularly in San Diego, 'di ba? Yung Americans natin na friends, sina DeAndre, they love it here. Ito may mga souvenirs around. Pero may na-search ako, mas mura daw na souvenir doon sa may Seaport Village na malapit lang din dito. Pa-sunset na. Technically, nakakita naman daw tayo ng whales because whales naman daw ang dolphins. Pero yung whale na gusto talaga nating makita. Yung kind ng whale na gusto nating makita. Hindi natin nakita today, but it's okay. Still a chill ride sa boat this afternoon. Para tayong nasa roller coaster din minsan. This is Dave, guys, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!